So here we are back again. On the top of the menu, I'm going to go M1 to get into the setup. I'm going to hit enter. And now here you are. You have to be careful here. You can't go up and down with the cursors. You can hit return, and it'll take you down through these. Okay?
Okay.
And then you can get to wherever you need to get to. And at any point you can hit the end key, and it will take you right to the bottom. But let me just hit enter, enter, enter. Enter, 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 enter. Okay, and store these settings. I'm going to say yes, sure. Okay, yes, okay. Okay, I'm just going to try and do that. Let's see, back to this menu. Sorry. Okay. Now I should type M2 to adjust sensitivity, right? M2. Enter. Controller not attached.
Wow.
And back to this menu. I could do a measurement. M3. Controller not attached. And back to the same menu.
Wow.
So there's something not working correctly, and it appears to be the connection between the software and the controller.